What's up, guys? This is Ty Zen. I'm driving through Atlanta right now, and as you can see out the window, this is pretty much the landscape of Atlanta. It's trees, and more trees. So if you're a tree hugger and you love trees and you love the greenery, Atlanta is a perfect place for you. But if you like to be in a metropolitan area or live a metropolitan type lifestyle, Atlanta might not be the place for you, because even in the metropolitan areas, like in Midtown and near downtown Atlanta, within just a few minutes you see nothing but trees again. So just be aware of that, guys. Anyways, I want to make this video to explain to you guys and define what is the Bitcoin dominance and what it means, who uses it, who does not use it, and how to use it in your cryptocurrency investing, okay? And I'll talk about the misconceptions about it and the realities of it. So first of all, before I explain the Bitcoin dominance, you need to understand what is the market capitalization of a cryptocurrency. So the market capitalization of or we call it market cap for short, okay? We call it, that means that you take all the cryptocurrency coins that's available for that specific cryptocurrency, and you multiply it by the current value of it, or the current price of it. And then so you take all the Bitcoins that's available right now and you multiply it by the current price, which is like 1,700 something, right? And whatever that total value is, that's what's called the Bitcoin market capitalization. That just simply means that's the total value of all the coins for that particular cryptocurrency. So now, if we do that for all 700 and something cryptocurrencies out there on the market right now, we come up with a number that's, let's just say, I'm gonna say 50 billion, even though it's higher than that. I'm just gonna say 50 billion just so that the math is easy for me to do while I'm making this video and driving all at the same time, okay? So let's just say that we take all 700 and some cryptocurrencies on the market and we multiply how many coins there are available to what the current price of that coin is, and we add it up, and let's say it comes out to be $50 billion total. If we take the total value of Bitcoin and it equals 40 billion, then the Bitcoin dominance means that 80% of the entire cryptocurrency market cap is made up of Bitcoins. So that's how you get the 80% number. So now, if the entire value of Bitcoin is only worth 60 billion, only worth 30 billion out of those 50 billion, then the Bitcoin dominance would be, the number for it would be at 60%, and so on. So it's whatever portion of the entire cryptocurrency market cap that's Bitcoin, that's what the Bitcoin dominance is, okay? So that's the mathematical way to calculate it. Now, you can find this, you don't have to calculate it, because there's two websites that do it for you already. One website is called coinmarketcap.io. That website is owned by the same people that own shapeshift.io, which is Eric Voorhees and his company. And they were the first ones to create the Bitcoin dominance percentage. That's what the correct name should be, the Bitcoin dominance percentage. But we have, myself and a lot of people you might hear call it the Bitcoin dominance index, simply because it's the number, okay? Now, they were the first ones to create that number on the coincap.io, and it's at the top of their website. Now, there's another website called coinmarketcap.com who saw that, and they copied it and they made it on their website, and that's the version that I use, because they create a line chart, a price line chart that goes along with it, so you can you do technical analysis on it, okay? Now, I do a lot of technical analysis on the Bitcoin dominance index, or the percentage, the line chart of it, and I've had people on Twitter say that, no one else, somebody on Twitter said that no one else uses technical analysis on the Bitcoin dominance. And I replied back that, usually, there's no point, it doesn't make sense the person said that it doesn't make sense to use technical analysis on it because no one else does it. And I say that, I responded back on Twitter saying that, you know, it doesn't make sense to listen to someone that doesn't make a full-time living off of, you know, investing in cryptos and trading cryptos either, you know. So I use it because it's one of the tools that helps me to determine when to move money into Bitcoins or when to move it into the altcoins, okay? So regardless if you use it or not, before, I highly recommend that you look at it now so that you know how to manage your money in cryptocurrencies, okay? So the other thing that I want to mention about the Bitcoin dominance is that it's a generalized number, meaning that we use it just as it's not 100% accurate, okay? Because all the cryptocurrencies in there, the numbers are not real, meaning that, like, for example, like, you know, like let's say that if I do an ICO and I issue 1 billion coins and I put it out there and I have one of my friends go buy that, you know, Ties coin for $10, and now the market cap for Ties coin is now $10 times 1 billion coins. Now there's a $10 billion market cap. So you have to take it with a grain of salt, okay? That is not 100% accurate because out of those 700 and something cryptocurrencies that's on the market, some of those are bogus. They're they're bullshit. They're not even real, you know, value or real coins. So, but just the way that you use it is that as long as CoinMarketCap or CoinCap.io measures it consistently, so even if it's not accurate, at least it's the same inaccuracy every time. So that's how I use it and how everyone on our team uses it, okay? So now, who uses this a lot and who does not use it and who does not like it, who likes it and who does not like it, okay? So the first group of people that uses the Bitcoin dominance the most is usually the cryptocurrency investors. They're the ones who use it the most, like myself and everyone on our team. We're the ones who use it the most. Now, the ones who, because that way, whenever Bitcoin, we draw trend channels on it, and then if it hits the opposite side of the trend channel, when Bitcoin dominance is down, then that's when we want to move our money into Bitcoins, right? And then when the Bitcoin dominance is all the way at the top near resistance on the other side of the trend channel, then that's when it reaches all-time highs, that's when we want to move our money back into the altcoins, okay? So that's how it's being used by the cryptocurrency traders and the investors. And so that's one group of people who uses the Bitcoin dominance. A second group of people who uses the Bitcoin dominance is the people who the cryptocurrency maximalists, okay? A maximalist in the world of cryptocurrencies is a die-hard fan or a die-hard believer, okay? So when we talk about a Bitcoin maximalist, right, it's a term that was coined originally by Vitalik Buterin and the founder of Ethereum. And what that means is that the Bitcoin dominance, the Bitcoin maximalists is people who only believe that Bitcoin is the one and only cryptocurrency and there's no other cryptocurrency that is going to surpass Bitcoin, right? Those Bitcoin maximalists do not like the Bitcoin dominance because every week that goes by, it shows, and every month and every year goes by, the Bitcoin dominance within the cryptocurrency world and within the cryptocurrency community is slowly diminishing, okay? So the Bitcoin maximalists do not like the Bitcoin dominance number because it shows that they're losing power, they're losing influence, okay? And when I say they, I'm talking about Bitcoin is losing influence, and the Bitcoin maximalists who swear up and down by Bitcoin, they don't like the idea that their precious Bitcoin or their precious cryptocurrency is diminishing in dominance across the cryptocurrency community. Now, the index is used a lot by the what I call the cryptocurrency maximalists, And the cryptocurrency maximalist is a term that I first heard it used by an economist named Tur Demeester. Okay, and he used it on the Bitcoin Meister's show one time, and he calls it the cryptocurrency maximalist. And that's who I am, and that's who LeonFood.com, my trading buddy, and everyone on our team, we are cryptocurrency maximalists because we are a die-hard believer and a big fan of cryptocurrencies, and we believe that that's the wave of the future, and that's how we don't believe that there's going to be one coin that's going to take over everything like Bitcoin. Okay, we used to, but times have changed. Okay, the cryptocurrency market has changed, the environment has changed, and so we have to change along with it and adapt with it. Okay, so the first group of people are the traders and the investors. The second group are the cryptocurrency maximalists that like to use the Bitcoin dominance number. Okay, so in this video, I just want to define what Bitcoin dominance is. It's been in the news, and a lot of people have been talking about it, right? And there's people that are not clear on it, so that's why I'm making this video to explain and define what it is. Okay, in a separate video, I'm going to share my opinion on the reasons why the Bitcoin dominance is declining, and that I don't see it going back up to the 70-80% range where Bitcoin dominates the entire cryptocurrency market like that forever. Now, keep in mind this, guys, before I conclude this video, okay, that as of right now, even when Bitcoin dominance drops to 10 or 20 or 30%, it will still be the dominant cryptocurrency. Okay, it may not be the dominant overall compared to the entire cryptocurrency. What I'm saying is that even when Bitcoin is at 10 or 20%, it can still be dominant if none of the other currencies, cryptos, are beyond Bitcoin. Like right now, as I'm speaking, like Ripple is shooting up in price, and now it's got like I think 5% of the dominance. But I don't consider Ripple a real the same. I don't put it in the same category of cryptocurrencies as everything else because it's a private blockchain. Okay, so this will conclude this video on what is the Bitcoin dominance. If you guys like these types of videos and you want more, make sure that you subscribe to our newsletter, to our cryptocurrency market newsletter. Go to www.cryptocurrency.market/newsletter and sign up there, and that's where we broadcast and let everyone know when we come out with new videos, when we come out with new templates or spreadsheets or any tools that you need to help you, that we want to share with you, to help you improve your cryptocurrency investing and reduce your risk. That's where we send it out from. It's from that cryptocurrency market newsletter. So make sure that you subscribe to that. If you guys like these types of videos, give me a thumbs up. If you guys don't like it, give me a thumbs down so I don't waste time making it. And I'll look forward to seeing you guys in a future video.